G'day all and welcome back to Unimig. Today's episode we're continuing on making our DIY project, making industrial floating shelves that are actually going to go right there to finish our Unimig set. In the last episode we constructed, welded and painted our frame. In this episode we're going to cut, sand and stain our shelves using the recycled pallet slats. After that we'll fix them to the shelf supports and on the wall she goes. And like a super duper on a hot summer's day, let's tuck in.
I've been searching for holy flames, a sign to light up the way. So can you help me out? Oh, can you help me out? Am I on my own? Am I on my own? Or can you help me out? Am I Can you help me out? Can you help me out?
So following on from the previous episode, the next step is to cut our pallet slats into size. Ours will be 1100 long. After that, you'll need to give them a sand with our Orbital Sander and a coat with our light walnut satin timber stain. Let's get cracking.
Don't wake me 'cause I'm dreaming. Millions stars surround me and I'm feeling so strong. From 200,000 miles it won't just seem so small. Millions stars surround me and I want to have it all. From 200,000 miles I'm coming back home. Got that chord again. Wake me 'cause I'm dreaming. Millions stars surround me and I'm feeling so strong. From 200,000 miles it won't just seem so small. Millions stars surround me and I want to have it all. From 200,000 miles I'm coming back home. Got that chord again.
So now that we've stained our shelves, we've got to give it a day or so to dry. After that, we're going to mark and drill our pilot holes so we can fix our shelves onto our shelf supports. We're going to come in 15 millimeters from the end, 20 millimeters from the side, so let's get that going.
Every day I'm left to die, working hard and wondering why. The big man puts me down, breaks my bones and shakes my ground. Yeah. Got the fire, got the flame, burn down the walls that make me stay. My time has come for breaking free. All I know is I'm ready. Oh yeah, ready. Can you hear the sweating? Can you hear the sweating? Can you hear the sweating? Can you hear the sweating out?
Now that our shelving is mounted to our shelf supports, it's now time to fix it to the wall using our 8mm dyna bolts and some washers. Let's get this final step done.
Oh my God, it's always the same when she comes around. But if you wanna grow, baby, rock and roll. There's something else inside, but it's gonna take more than that. It's gonna take more than that. It's gonna take more than that.
So there's our finished project, our industrial floating shelves. We'll be doing more of these DIY projects in the coming months, getting a video out to you every 1 or 2 weeks. So the easiest way to stay tuned is to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell to never miss a video. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.